What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the shop. We are actually disassembling the CA that just blew up a few weeks ago. If you guys remember the video of us drifting with our buddy Race with his Levin. Doing a couple tandem donuts, and we were trying to figure out what happened to the vert. So basically I picked up another block here. As you can see, this motor is actually completely freshly rebuilt, which is good to know. There's no miles on the motor. Picked it up from my friend Brandon. So we decided to disassemble the blown CA and kind of figure out the carnage. And yeah, Mike and I here were cracking up, and let me tell you, this thing, I don't even know what caused it. Honestly, we still can't figure out, because oil pressure is good, it wasn't overheating, it had coolant. I just think maybe it gave out. And the crazy thing is I wasn't bouncing off rev limiter. I think I was at 3,000 RPM second gear, just lightly feathering the throttle. So we'll show you guys right now the destruction. Jeez, dude. All right, would you like to explain to us what we're looking at here?
Well, there's part of the cap. There's the piston head. There's the wrist pin. That's part of a ring.
Piston ring.
If you look up there, there's your rod.
Hold on, let me see if I... Wow. Let me see if I can pick it up on that. Dude, that's the rod?
Yeah.
Oh my God. What the hell?
Cam's in good shape though.
Crank is done. Yeah, no, I know. That's why I said that. Crank. This is, guys, this is crazy. And like I said before, the motor previously, before this happened, I don't know. And we basically just set it up and went. Like I said, there was no low oil pressure. I wasn't overheating. I mean, this thing just grenaded. I mean, I have never seen a piston explode like this before, ever. I mean, that's insane. You know how much, like, look at that. I can only imagine what the valves look like then too. But long story short, this motor, if there's not crazy damage, is going to get rebuilt. Obviously that's if the block's not cracked or stuff like that, you know. So, and then here is the new motor, brand new spec clutch. This one is way cleaner. As you can see, everything in the motor looks refreshed. All the gaskets are new, there's no leaks. T28 turbo. More than likely gonna upgrade to RB26 injectors. It's a direct fit with these. I believe all you change is the pigtail, so you'll go from like 240s to 444s. I would go bigger. I mean, ultimately, maybe, yeah, I could go like on E85 or something, but I wanna get the car running and driving first again, which is vert back there. And yeah, so stay tuned and we're gonna put this motor together. Yeah, I noticed that, and the fourth one was the one that was just all... That's crazy. All right, so now we're gonna try and clean this as best as possible. Just get all these metal shards out of here, man. I mean, this is just insane. I mean, we're gonna have to more than likely pressure wash it, because we have to use this block, because one of the oil drain on that was kinked, unfortunately, from moving the motor. So we're just gonna put this one on, that way we don't have to go all out and modify and whatnot, and just make it easier. So just gotta clean this up real quick as much as possible. Probably more than likely use Mike's pressure washer, because yeah, man, this is crazy. I mean, I've seen motors blow up, dude, but not this bad, man. I mean, that's like, I think it dented the oil pan.
Yeah, it dented that oil.
All right, well, let's get that pressure washer. First, we'll turn on the water. All right, so next we're gonna be torquing down the flywheel. After that, we are obviously, of course, the clutch and pressure plate. Put the transmission on, get the motor back on the ground, and then plug in the harness, injectors, IX valve, all that stuff, temp sensors. And then realistically at that point, I believe the only thing we need to take off this motor is power steering bracket, alternator bracket, and I think that's it, right? More than likely. I don't really see anything else. Looks like you're getting a lot of work done there.
Yeah, boy.
All right, guys, welcome back. Today is the day we get this thing finished. So far, so good. Got the motor in, everything's bolted up. Obviously, everything's still kind of a little messy, but this is just to make sure that the car will start, run, and maybe lead us to some other problems. GTR is also done. We got this guy in here pretending like he knows what he's doing. Ain't that right? The silence means he's mad, so we'll walk away. All right, yeah, so we're gonna crank this thing up and see if it starts. Let me know if you see like any storage or anything. Started. I think one of the check valves are open with a couple vacuum leaks, so. Oh yeah, in here. Alright, cool. Yeah, so we basically have just a couple small things to touch up. A couple vacuum ports here and there that need to be plugged up. Obviously, we still got to connect like the boost controller, finish tucking the wiring, and really at that point, I'll put some training fluid in and go send it. Yeah.
I mean, it's raining.
So it'll be a, it'll be a slippery fun time. So as long as we get everything done today, I'm sure maybe tonight we'll go out, have some fun. We won't really burn any tires since it's wet. So yeah, make sure to check out the next video, and also don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned, and also leave some comments on what you want to see next. You want us to do maybe to the drift car. I'm not blowing it up again. I already did that one, so maybe color choice, body kit, wheels. You guys gotta let me know. So as soon as the country opens back up, we're all going drifting here. So, all right, thanks for tuning in.